Okay guys, our next topic is fuels, right? So what is the meaning of fuels? So fuel, that means the substance that produce heat and light energy. This is called as fuels. Okay, so commonly used fuels are wood, coal, charcoal, wood, LPG gas, petrol, diesel, kerosene, right? And cow dungs, right? These all are called as the fuels. Okay, these fuels are useful for the cooking process, heating of automobiles. That means the automobiles, that means the if you want to start, if you want to drive car, so petrol, diesels are useful. That means it runs automobiles. And for generation of electricity, so guys, we know that whatever electricity comes at our home, it is generated by the power station. And in the power station, which types of the fuels are useful? Coal and diesels and petrol are useful, right? Not petrol, but diesel and coal is very much useful. So it is called as thermal power plant, right? So by the coal, when coal burns, it gives heat, it releases heat energy and it gives to the boiler. And in the boiler, what happens? The pressure will be of vapor, and by the vapor there will be steam generation, right? That means electricity will be generated by the turbine, right? And it will produce the electricity that comes at our home. Okay, for the generation of electricity it was. Now, based on the physical state, fuels are divided into the three types. Which three types? So first one is solid fuels. So solid, liquid and gaseous fuels, right? So in the solid form, first what happens? The fuels which exist in the solid form at normal room temperature. So this is called as solid fuels, right? Second one, it is liquid fuels. So the fuel that exists in the liquid state at normal room temperature, it is called as liquid fuels. Now gaseous fuels, the fuel that exists in the gaseous form at normal room temperature, so it is called as the gaseous fuels. So what are the examples of solid fuels? So in the solid fuel we can see fuel like wood, charcoal, then coal, then cow dung, agriculture waste, right? Leaves of dry leaves of plants, these are called as the solid fuels. Now what are the liquid fuels? So in the liquid fuel, petrol, diesel, kerosene, oil, that means the edible oil, it can be burned, right? So these all are called as liquid fuels. Now what is gaseous fuels? So guys, we can see at our home there is LPG gas, and in vehicles CNG gas, right? Biogas, it can be burned. So these all are called as the gaseous fuels because these all are in the gaseous.